Hi, welcome. My name is Lorraine Ortega Pais. I am studying English first semester, English Phonetic. In the day-to-day, I speak reading sentences in IPA. 1. I was in the beach yesterday. 2. The baby is tomato. 3. They watch TV in the afternoon. 4. My mother have a big house. 5. I love my husband. 6. My brother is playing soccer. 7. Doctors are in surgery. 8. I like orange and apple. 9. Ledger is intelligent. 10. Her toys are new. 11. My family is wonderful. 12. I go to the park every day. 3. The teacher read a book. 14. He have 3 dogs. 15. The car is red. Thank you. Bye bye.